If you want to be really good at something, you need to listen to people who are where you want to be. Therefore, I can highly recommend you these 5 e-commerce YouTube channels. They share super valuable tips and tricks about e-commerce, and they have helped me out to grow my e-commerce business. Number 1, Davey Fogart. Although he's only been active for 3 months on YouTube, he was able to accumulate an incredible following. I believe this is the result of being a true e-commerce A player, having taken his stores from 0 to $150 million in just 3 years. I mean, like, what? What the f? On his channel, he shares his journey that has led him to this incredible achievement, and this is super inspirational and also motivational to hear. Also, he shares many in-depth tutorials about Facebook ads and email marketing and much more valuable content that's going to help you to bring your e-commerce business to the next level. Definitely check out his video how he was able to create Australia's fastest growing e-commerce brand. That's super inspirational. Number 2 is an actual YouTube legend, and he was able to grow his channel to 900,000 subscribers also by posting dropshipping videos. What I really love about Biohazard's videos is that he's able to make dry business content such as investing, finance, and of course dropshipping super entertaining by combining his fun but also super smart personality with a lot of comedy sketches, memes, and challenges, as you can see here.
Is Shopify Dropshipping finally dead?
No.
Definitely not.
But seeing his incredible e-commerce journey, including 6-figure profits per month, presented in a super entertaining way, is just so much fun to watch and really inspirational to get started. What makes his content even more inspirational is the fact that he's just 19 or 20 years old. Biohazard is actually the one who inspired me to get started with e-commerce. So if you like some motivation, make sure to check out his videos and get started. Guys, it takes hours to make these videos for you, so please smash the like button. Next one on the list is the Ecom Thing, and he's pretty good, so I think the name is justified. Unlike Biohazard, his content is less entertaining but more informative, and he's really digging deep into all different e-commerce topics. He's made hundreds of videos about literally any dropshipping topic I can think of, and he has made so many super in-depth tutorials that are super valuable. If you're looking to gain actionable knowledge about dropshipping and e-commerce, this is the channel for you. In my opinion, his best video is his 6-hour dropshipping tutorial where he shares everything you need to know about dropshipping in 6 hours. I know it's extremely detailed, but he shares so many valuable information, and if you're a beginner, this is a great video for you. Number 4 on this list is Shaduri. I hope I pronounced it right. And at first glance, he seems like a super laid back and chilled guy, and he doesn't actually seem like the typical e-commerce guy. His knowledge about dropshipping and e-commerce is really sophisticated, and in his videos he has built so many super profitable stores. On his channel he shares a lot of motivational but also inspirational content. One video I really liked was his journey from being broke to making $1 million at age 20. I mean, why are all of these guys so successful? I mean,
the key to more success, this is a major key, is getting a pedicure and manicure once a week.
But in all seriousness, I'm really happy for everybody who's able to make a living with e-commerce and is able to live life on their own terms, and that's what I want for you guys too. What makes Tan's content even more up to date is that he's super up to date with the latest trends. And when it comes to something like e-commerce, there are new trends evolving every day, and you really don't want to miss out on them. To provide you guys with a concrete example, at the moment there's a slight switch from Facebook ads to TikTok ads. Since there's no organic reach on Facebook but also on Instagram anymore, people are slowly migrating to TikTok because TikTok has amazing organic reach, and even if you don't have any followers, you can still go viral. But not only you can go viral, but also your brand. Tan has actually made some really good videos about how you can advertise your Shopify business without spending any money on TikTok. This is what I'm doing right now with my new brand. Number 5, Nate Schmidt, and his last name sounds super German. By the way guys, I'm German, but I live in the States. Sometimes when I watch the first 4 YouTubers on this list, I get the impression that making 100K in profit is actually not that hard. But the truth is, it's actually extremely hard, even if you have a lot of experience. What I really enjoy about Nate Schmidt's content is that he's super real, but also super authentic and shows the reality of dropshipping and e-commerce, and this includes failure. And this is also the goal that I have with my e-commerce content. I don't want to put a sugar count around e-commerce and dropshipping and be like, it's so easy to make $10,000 a day. No, it's not. But it's doable, I promise, also for you and me.
Some people can't handle success. I can.
Back to Nate Schmidt. He doesn't share a lot of step-by-step tutorials like the Ecom King or Tan, but he rather focuses on his top strength, which is marketing and creating ads that convert. Being really good at marketing like Nate, so truly understanding your target audience, what they really want, what their needs are, and providing them with the solution. So your product is one of the most valuable skills you can have for doing e-commerce with Shopify or your own brands. In some of his videos, he really digs deep into the psychology of marketing and also how to create super high converting ads. And I find these videos so valuable and they have helped me out so much. Thank you, Nate. Also, his knowledge is backed by the success of his e-commerce stores, making 7 figures annually, but this was not a surprise, I guess. Comment what topic I should deal with in my next video. See you next time.